Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday, March 6, 2025. You survived the snowstorm. Maybe it was the last snow of the season? No, probably not. Because, it isn't the same like March Madness has got to come up, or usually when the WIA basketball tournament, there's always snow around then, right? Nevertheless, here we go with your headlines. I'm going to give you some spring stories, though, that make you think spring. This spring, yes, we have some tree planting going on. Check this out. The Urban Tree Alliance and the City of Fitchburg partnered with Operation Fresh Start to plant trees in the Southdale neighborhood. Planting trees in the neighborhood has been a priority since it incorporated in the City of Fitchburg in 2022 of October. In 2023, the city removed and replaced dead and dying ash trees in residential portions of the neighborhood in Southdale Park. The plan was to continue to plant as many trees each spring as possible with the existing budget resources. This project, funded by the Urban Forest Inflation Reduction Act grant, will expedite and complete tree canopy renovation of the entire neighborhood in a single year. When completed, the project will catch up the Southdale neighborhood to tree canopy and will be on track to reach the city's Fitchburg's 30% canopy goal by 2050. In preparation for this tree planting, the City of Fitchburg has removed dead and declining trees and grounded stumps. A tree planting plan was developed and replaced. These trees will be added where they have not been planted previously. In some locations, the Urban Tree Alliance ordered the trees and will coordinate Operation Fresh Start plan in late April to maintain the trees throughout the growing season. The result will be a variety of tree species planted to offer shade and beauty in the neighborhoods for years to come. Fitchburg refuse tags, a reminder as you think about spring cleaning. See, I told you there's a theme to this show today. Spring cleaning, you may be thinking about, but those garbage cans, can't fill them like past their, height. Have too much trash in your cart? Starting back in January of 2020, physical refuse tags will no longer be sold at the City of Fitchburg. Instead, residents that have extra refuse should call Pelletary, which will pay for extra refuse bags over the phone. Pricing for additional bags are $3.50 each for up to 32-gallon bag. The bag should not weigh over 50 pounds, and then you can schedule your extra refuse pickup at 608-257-4285. That's Pelletary's number, 4 p.m. weekday preceding the collection day. You can also get a bigger cart. So if you don't have a big enough cart, you can order up a size as well and pay that price. All that information is at our website, fitchburgwi.gov. The Fitchburg Senior Center Driver Escort program is still looking for drivers. The RSVP drivers are needed. And what you do, well, you help get people to their appointments. That's right. You will keep track of your time, but you will be moving people to their appointments no matter what it is, using your own vehicle. You can check in with the Fitchburg Senior Center to help out. They're also looking for meal drivers as well for the Meals on Wheels program. All RSVP volunteers will help deliver meals, and it's only between the hours of 10:30 and 11 a.m. Routes are pretty easy. I've done this before. It's really a fun program, but you, again, document your time and your miles. You can get reimbursed for that, but you're helping out the community with delivering meals to keep seniors in their homes longer. It's a pretty cool program indeed. All right, over to the Latino Academy of Workforce Development, the Boys and Girls Club. They're going to be hosting a construction career fair tomorrow, Friday, March 7th. This is going to be over at the McKinsey Regional Workforce Center, 5215 Verona Road here in Fitchburg. It's from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. tomorrow with a lot of construction companies on hand. The list is long, and we hope you'll make it out there for this great event. They're looking for all backgrounds, youth, and families to come out and learn more about this and find a job in the trades for sure. Plus, you can check out the McKenzie Workforce Center if you haven't already. It's an incredible space. We're so happy to have them here in the city of Fitchburg. Finally, spring into emergency preparedness with daylight savings time. It begins this weekend. Spring forward. Woo! You're like, oh, dude. Yeah, daylight savings time begins Sunday, March 9th at 2 a.m. We just had this, rough weather the other day. We had power out at our house for a long time. It's the time to plan. Not only check those smoke detectors, the carbon monoxide detectors, but how about making sure that you have your emergency kit ready, like extra batteries, flashlight, first aid kit, whistle, paper copies of your driver's license, emergency contacts, and more. Now's the time. Get it ready now. Have a great day.